Alright guys, this here, the more wrapped wire, normally would resist radiating high frequency and high wattages of RF accelerated, except for one thing: inductive kick gets accelerated, so multiplied. There's always a versus, like fission versus fusion. Now watch this. This is my radio. Kind of pilot here, but at least everything you can see that it is working. Okay, I'm going to make a comparison. I have, or so I can confirm it, yes. But that is nice and wrapped. But right here, and here are the, yeah, there they are. Make lots of noise. Okay. It make lots of noise, believe. Now, this guy. Now here, the one of the bigger coil than this coil, and then locally the local skin effect, the being able to notice of the smaller turns, and then localized, of course, that antennas can emit this kind of electromagnetic radiation in pure electrostatic, but static form and static magnetism both combined, showing that can also exist with the rest of what's stated by my new theory, the Durham Unification theory. Find it Lulu for now, Lulu because a little mistake of the cover, but Lulu for now in its passwords. Okay, now is it's saying something here in regard. I'm going to now move this antenna by wrapping it back up and making it so the signals bounce, off the bigger part of the wire on the roll compared to this small guy, where those bounce signals on SWR, especially like that. Yeah, Mark, we know this one. In the case, which this traps RF on versus through inductive reactance to the bigger one, which is the spool, bounces it back and concentrates it on this guy and does it through inductive kick by multiplication of RF effect and silently rectified electricity. In between these guys, small guys, so that the big one finally occurs on the way that this radio has been wired to first regenerate, and then with resonance, and then to accelerate the regeneration of the signal by amplifying the resonance, and then of course it regenerating again, doing the same to the point of pure electron release, which also stated about heat by Albert Einstein and such as quantum mechanics. I will now throw this guy out, put it about here. Did I hear that? But yes. Alright, that's what I thought. Okay, hi, all you. But anyway. Yeah, that's electromagnetic radiation in a living form. Alright. Well, yes. Accelerated electromagnetic energy and then time in its inverse form, warping things together, making things that were past that leads to a point somehow in somewhere, put all in place, and the recurring waves from the universe would then, what would happen would cause the universe to increase in the speed of its expanse, therefore time equaling all existence, and then minus anything relative. That means minus dx plus 1 integrated with the integral. Defining things on where things should sit, you should be able to multiply it. It is the experiment here, and demonstration here. And what do we see? Or whatever, whatever thing, whatever, you know, it's whatever. But whatever thing, energy is involved. Now, directionality aimed at a radio station, suppose it, and same with inductance and the position of the two inductors in place. To move into the past whatsoever, it takes at least 1 trillion volts. Demonstrated. So the smallest level, 1,000 kilopascals. 1,000 pascals, not kilopascals. And focused into the smallest state of which an atom will actually start to fade. You know, and before an atom can. So time and so light. Can we put it to absolute zero? No comment yet on helium. It probably just might come to mind, but this is what it is. Thank you. And you too. And you too. Alright, Titus. You. Hi, guys. Harold. Good old times. Hi. What's up? Here. Million. Billion. Quadrillion. Infinity. Light can contain an infinite negative charge if it is a high enough energy, otherwise it oscillates, and therefore you go to the supersymmetry of space and time, and all existence explained, and how to make a real good battery. Over and out, and this will be on YouTube.